Hello everyone, today our topic is how to sell digital products and provide access to product using Pabbly Subscription Billing. So here our objective is that whenever we get new successful payment in Pabbly Subscription Billing for the digital product that we are selling, then we want to share access of that product with the customer through Google Drive. For this, we will create an integration between Pabbly Subscription Billing and Google Drive. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Pabbly Subscription Billing. In action application, I'm going to use Google Drive. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see how we can sell a digital product through Pabbly Subscription Billing, and we will provide an access of that product to our customer automatically. So as our customers complete the payment of the product, the payment will get successful and then automatically they will get an access of that product and we will share it with them. So suppose in my Google Drive, I have this folder of PHP course, and in this folder, I have this product which is PHP programming course PDF. So this is my digital product. And suppose I'm selling this digital course of PHP course. I have added my product in Pabbly Subscription Billing, and I have also added PSB checkout page link in my website. So here my objective is that whenever I get successful payment of this product, then automatically I want to share an access of this product with my customer. And for this, I want to automate this entire process without any coding help. So for that, I need to create an integration between Pabbly Subscription Billing and Google Drive. So for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And here you will get to see this page of all apps. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers. And here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. So we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to sell digital products and provide access to the product using Pabbly Subscription Billing. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action say do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Pabbly Subscription Billing. So I'm going to search for that and I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab. And in this, I have this successful payment option. So I'm going to select this and this will be my trigger event. Now I have to connect Pabbly Subscription Billing with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL. And to connect these two accounts, I'm going to follow all this instruction. So first, I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And I will go to Pabbly Subscription Billing. Here, I will go to Settings. And in Settings, I will find this webhook setting. I'll open this. And here, I have to add a new webhook. So I'll click here on Add Webhook button. So first, I have to give a name to my webhook. So I'm going to give it as Testing. Now I have to select my product. So I will open this tab. And here you will find all the products that you have in Pabbly Subscription Billing. Here, I'm going to use this PHP course product. So I'll select this. And in the plan, I'm going to select my plan of this PHP course. So I'll open this tab and I have this digital plan. So I will select this. And now I have to paste my webhook URL here. that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So this is my webhook URL. Now we'll scroll down, and in the payments, I will select this option of successful payment, and I will scroll down and I will click on save. So my webhook is added successful. Now we'll click on OK, and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So here we have this response of adding my webhook. So my webhook is added successfully. Now I will click on recapture webhook response. I will click on yes. Now it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I have to get a successful payment, and to access Pabbly Subscription Billing, I have to add Pabbly Subscription Billing payment link in the checkout page of my website where I'm selling my product. So I will add this in my website, and now to get the response, I will make a test payment. So I will go to my checkout page. So this is the checkout page, and I have added this as Pabbly Subscription Billing. So here I have to make this payment. So this is in test mode. So I'm going to make a test payment. So I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my first name will be dummy. Last name will be user. Email will be dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. And for the billing address, I will open this tab and I will search for my country, which is India. I will select this and I will give my state, which is Madhya Pradesh. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to make a payment. So this is a test card. So I have to make a successful payment. So I will click on success. So this is my card details. So I'm going to click here on complete order. And here it says, thank you for your purchase. So my purchase is successful. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the event type is payment success. So the first name of customer is dummy, last name is user, and the email is dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. Country code is IN. My plan name is digital plan, and my product name is PHP course. So I got this details in the response, and in this we are going to use this email address. So what we are going to do is we are going to share the access of our product to this particular customer, because so for that, I have to set up my actions tab. So I will open this tab, and here my action application will be Google Drive. So I'm going to select this, and I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab, and share a file will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Google Drive with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will sign in with Google. Now we click on continue to give access to my account. So my connection here is successful. And here we have these three details: file ID, email, and the role. So I have to fill all these details here. So first let's go back to Google Drive. So in my Google Drive, I have this folder of PHP course. In this, I have this digital product that I'm selling to my customers, and I have received the payment for this course. Now I want to share the access of this particular product with my customer. So my product name is PHP Programming Course. So this is going to be my file ID, which is phpprogrammingcourse.pdf. So I have to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in the file ID, I will open this tab. So in this list, you will find all your file IDs. So I'm going to select this phpprogrammingcourse.pdf. So this is my file ID. Now I have to give the email. So here I will give the email of the customer. So for that, I'm going to map that email. And here I will use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which you can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I will open this response, and here I will search for my email. So this is the email of the customer. I'm going to map this. And now I have to select my role. So I will open this tab, and here we have these three roles: can view, can edit, and can comment. So I only want to get the role of a viewer. So I'm going to select this can view. So I have filled all these details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. Here in the response, we can see we have generated this ID. So this means I have shared the access of my product with my customer. Now to check this, let's open my email. So I'm going to open my email. So in my Gmail account, I have received this new email. So I'll open this. And here it says that this person has shared an item. So I have received the access of this course. So this is the same digital product that I'm selling. So I have this same product in my Google Drive and I have shared it with my customer. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Pabbly Subscription Billing and the Google Drive. So whenever I'm getting a new successful payment in Pabbly Subscription Billing, then I'm automatically sharing an access to my product with that customer through Google Drive. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Pabbly Subscription Billing and my trigger event was successful payment. Then I have set up my action and my action application was Google Drive and my action event was share a file. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.